Hey, actually, we're right.
Is it an ticket or can you get in?
Yeah, it's a ticket.
It's a ticket.
Ticket.
Damn, we should have stayed home.
So you're saying you don't like the roller coasters?
Oh, I do, but I would like to go to the water park too. Maybe when we leave here at 5, we'll go to the water park.
They're gonna be done here.
Shit, I wish I could see what we're doing.
It's 6.
No, you don't, because you're about to get wet.
Oh!
6.
No, 5. Yeah, look.
No, I actually think she's gonna get it. Oh no, I'm gonna get
That really
it.
threw me out of the seat.
It's whoever goes.
Usually whoever goes backwards.
Yeah. It's all about the spin.
Oh, let me get back in my seat. There.
We're gonna bounce back.
I told you, man. I told you.
We got him good.
Aww. It's okay, buddy.
It feels good, my turn.
Oh, I'm so...
He got it the worst up.
Oh, no, boy.
I don't feel good.
Does that feel good, buddy? I don't think he was expecting that. Uh-oh.
Is there a drop? It's barely up.
I don't know. First time on this.
There we go again.
Is there a drop here?
I don't know. I've never been on it before.
See that first initial shock of
No, it's pretty
You
casual.
stayed pretty dry
Is it?
last night.
Yeah, we're staying dry on our side.
So far.
I'm gonna curse it now.
What's that, Jess?
This is the fast part. This is where it happens right here.
Oh,
It's fun. You guys are really good. Ready?
There's the drop.
There's the one.
That's a little bit I got.
Come look this.
That wasn't bad.
And now we get plastic. It's like, oh, this lip isn't working.
Watch out, dude.
We're gonna do it.
Probably me.
Oh, you do.
Uh-oh.
It's like an ass. It's like a bidet.
Shit, my phone.
Yeah, your phone's wet.
It's alright. Shit. Oh.
That was good.
Cam, I cooled off. Wanna go again?